Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back in my YouTube channel Practical Civil Engineers. Viewers, in our today's lecture, this is lecture number 11. I will also share the link of previous 10 lecture in the description. Our today's topic is detail cost estimate or a detail estimate. So what is a detail estimate? Detail, it consists of preparing the estimate in two stages. In detail cost estimate, we will prepare the estimate in two different stages. The first stage, working of different quantities, means measurements of different items of project is carried out, means the length, breadth and thickness of different items like wall, slab, beam and columns, etc. Doors, windows, electric line, sewer line length, tiles. So in the first stage, we measure or we work out the quantities of different items of the project. In the second stage, the cost of each item is worked out, means we prepare the BOQ, which is called bill of quantity, in which the quantity of items will be multiplied to the unit rate of item. So in the second stage, the cost of each item is worked out. So quantity of item reported in form of measurement sheet. This is a form of measurement sheet. Here we write down the serial number 1 like excavation, serial number 2 like PCC 148. The third one is burn brick masonry. The fourth one is DPC and its number 1111. Its length 10 and 10. This is just for supposition. So a width height for a individual, and the total quantity, let's suppose here is 100 CFT, this one is 200 CFT, this one is 50 CFT, this one is 10 CFT. So these are called the measurement sheet. So we prepare at the first stage the measurement sheet. In the second, cost of item is reported in form of abstract of sheet, means abstract of quantity, or abstract of rate. Rates. So the format of abstract of rate is here. This is the format of abstract sheet. So this is called abstract sheet. Let's suppose it's serial number 1. We have a description of item excavation. The total quantity is 100 CFT. The unit rate for 1 CFT will be 10. So the total cost will be 1000 per 100 CFT. So and I will also explain more further. The second item is PCC 148. The total quantity is 200 CFT, let's suppose, and its unit rate is 100 per CFT. So the 200 will be multiplied with 100 unit rate. So this will be 20,000 total cost of the PCC. So this is called the abstract sheet. If you like the video, kindly share, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.